From oblivious drivers and heart-stopping T-bone near misses to reckless hit-and-runs, battered traffic lights, and out-of-control Teslas. Brace yourself for the craziest dashcam moments yet, only on Dashcam Media.
You say you just came from the store? Over 7,500 pedestrians are killed each year.
I did fact check what this cop said. Let me read to you what it says. According to the latest data, approximately 7,522.
Niet goed wijs of zo.
Bratemili.
That I would probably, you know, like I'm looking at Brock Bowers as being a good DFS option this week because I think that the Ravens, you know, they've altered some coverage. You know, Mike McDonald had been a defensive coordinator for years, and now he's over in Seattle as the head coach. And so, you know, yeah, you promote from within, but everybody likes to put their own spin on. Listening to you. Fuck. What the hell are you doing? Oh! Whoa! Whoa!
This will help Bayern win.
I would imagine that Zuck is more of a sociopath that doesn't care who wins. He wants himself to get more rich and.
Okay, what kind of vehicle is it?
It's a white Mercedes SUV.
Okay, and is it on Barranca or is it on Jamboree?
I've been dreaming, I've been driving, trying to stay. What the fuck?
You're the one I'm calling. You're my escape from my darkest days. And when the sun is shining, you know we out here riding.
certainly wouldn't happen before the universe is expected to collapse.
Therefore, Franklin Open says the widely accepted conclusion.
Charlie gave her one last smile, and though he was plainly trying to act confident, he knew his smiles. This was his uncertain one.
What the fuck?
Whoa, what? Did you have your blinker on?
No, but still.
Oh my god.
Huh? Did you say your cousin was crying? She was crying?
Yep.
Oh, crap.
Jesus. Lady. Yeah. You made it.